कि कानून में प्रोविजन ही नहीं है।
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma ulami pankershan Halor ke Jingthmu ke jong ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya ufagu johan bat ai ke Kren da Ktien Hindi hakasngi ningkong jong ka Dorbar mang tingka haka khanre tarik urimpang da ka baong ba ki kendon ki sha ban Kren ya uno da ka no ka Ktien da ka basam ya ka Jingtho jong ka Kren haka Ktien English bat la de panle ya kata Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Pynshai Halor ke Jingmi jong ka kenram naka daw jong ka jing ai Kren ulat da ka Ktien Hindi haka jaka ka Ktien English ka badai ka we na kilai tali ki Ktien balayo jing ithu haka Jylla Conrad ula ongru ba ulampang ka yeng Dorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla Thomas e sangma ula de penbiang ya kinong pen kelak Ktien Halor ke Kren jong ulat
Translator that there will be provisions. See, there is, we're very clear that the rules are there and the rules allow anybody to speak provided they provide the copy of the speech in English, and that is being done, and therefore there is no issue. We are following the rules as per the requirement, number one. Number two is that we have also, the speaker has informed us that he has also made provisions where either through artificial intelligence or through some kind of a translator, that there will be provisions where people will be listening to the speech in English also. So making it an issue is, I think, is unnecessary. Wherever the situation is, many people have spoken in different languages, as I said.